pursuant to Chief of the Air Staff's vision of transcending Pakistan Air Force into a next-generation Air Force, alongside sharing professional expertise with brotherly countries. Pakistan has recently signed a contract for the sale of JF-17 Block 3 fighter aircraft to bolster air power capabilities of Azerbaijan. During his recent visit to Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Ilham Aliyev, President of Azerbaijan, was hosted by Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, who briefed him on the combat capabilities and versatile employment options of JF-17 Block 3 fighter aircraft. Pursuant to President Aliyev's visit and on special request of Government of Azerbaijan, Chief of the Air Staff approved the deployment of PF contingent at Baku to participate in ADEX 2024, showcasing the aerial prowess and static display of Pride of Pakistan, JF-17 Thunder Block 3. The PF contingent, comprising of operational and maintenance personnel, was given a heartfelt welcome on arrival at Baku. During deployment, JF-17 carried out air-to-air refueling from PF multi-role tanker transport aircraft, deploying in a single hop to Baku, Azerbaijan, demonstrating long-haul capability and reach of the PF's fighter jet. President Ilham Aliyev visited the static display of JF-17 Block 3 and later witnessed an enthralling aerial demonstration of JF-17 Thunder, showcasing the agility and maneuverability of the fighter jet alongside the professional competence of PF pilots. The JF-17 Thunder's performance at the Defence Exhibition captivated the audience with its impressive maneuverability, state-of-the-art avionics, unmatched agility, and versatile combat capabilities. JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is an AESA radar and long-range BVR-equipped 4.5 generation multi-role fighter aircraft, which is capable of undertaking wide array of combat missions, providing contemporary air power employment options, thus strengthening the national security paradigm of Azerbaijan. President of Azerbaijan conveyed his heartfelt wishes and gratitude to Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, for affording him the opportunity to witness the mesmerizing aerobatics displayed during Azerbaijan Defence Exhibition 2024. He expressed that the support extended by Pakistan Air Force would go a long way in consolidating the existing military cooperation between Pakistan and Azerbaijan, fostering closer defence collaboration and strengthening the warm brotherly ties between the two nations. The accomplishment also reflects the vision of the Air Chief to transform PF into a fully indigenized next-generation Air Force, contributing to regional security while affording the opportunity to strengthening international partnerships.